Alright, I hate videos that bounce all over the place. However, I don't have the best stand with me, so this may be a little clunky. Anyhow, this is the Workforce WF-3640. I'm getting this message right now. Cannot recognize following ink cartridges. Try installing them again. I didn't actually try to install them. I tried to open up the machine and determine where all this stuff was. There's a grip handle here on each side. I'm supposed to grab both of them and pull up. And there's the ink cartridges bouncing around. And then the message again, replace ink cartridges and close the scanner unit. So, pretty simple. Pull this tab up, exposes all of them. And then if you know which ones are low, just go ahead and pull them and replace them. It says to push here, so just to pop down, grip on both sides and lift out. Pretty simple. That one is empty, near empty, super empty. So I'm actually going to put the magenta one back in because I can feel that it's still got some ink in it. You can check on the computer too. If you just go in and look at your Epson, it'll tell you the status of all the different cartridges. I haven't done that yet, but c'est la vie. So I've got a few cartridges already. I'm going to put in these recycled, remanufactured. They're a little bit cheaper, but they're the same style and brand, so we're going to throw those back in there in just a second. So just pulled these out of the plastic bags. It's kind of a pain in the butt, not too bad. And then you've got this strip on the bottom. You've got to pull that guy off. Once we pulled that, exposes the ink well off. Then we'll just go ahead and pop it back in. So right back into there. Pretty simple. It's all color coded until it pops. It's in the second one. My guess is I'll be replacing the magenta one shortly. It might even tell me I have to do it here once we get done with this. Pop it in. Make sure they're seated well. Boink. Boom. Let's see what it says. Checking ink cartridges. Please wait. You have not installed genuine Epson ink cartridges. Proceed. The quality or reliability of non-genuine ink. All right, great. Continue using this ink? I think so. Boom, and we're ready. So, that's the quick and dirty of it. All right, good luck.